is so good. Like, I've only tasted the chicken, but I already know the ziti is good because, like, I make ziti not often, but like pretty often, to the point where I know how to like season it and everything. So yeah, I actually made one for my mother and one for myself, since it's Mother's Day. I already sent my mother her gift a few days ago, so now I'm just making her a nice little meal that she can go back to for a couple of days and eat and enjoy. My mother taught me how to cook. Well, she didn't even really have to teach me, but her food was so good that I like learned how to imitate her style of cooking. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take her this. I might take her like a bottle of wine out of this wine fridge over here. Let me see what kind I'm gonna take her. My niece is so sweet. She just brought me a gift. I didn't think I was gonna get like a physical Mother's Day gift because my son is so young right now. Strawberry rosé. I think I'll give her this one, and then I think I'm gonna make her an actual drink too. I might seem a little tipsy because I just had this Evan Williams cherry mixed with cream grape. So basically I just mixed these two things and it was pretty good, and I kind of feel it. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out which ziti I'm gonna give her because I mixed one. Like, this one is mixed with the ricotta. It looks pretty good. The sauce probably looks a little whiter, and this one is just like how I always usually make it. I mean, I don't know, that one looks good too, so I'll probably just give her this one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and happy Mother's Day if you're a mother and you're my subscriber. Happy Mother's Day, girl. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys probably tomorrow because I'm trying to be more consistent with these vlogs. And yeah, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.